They need to look at things that are caveman easy. And because I'm in DevOps and I spend a lot of time in AWS and Azure, I am always looking for things that are super easy just to test and to utilize. And Ankr is one of these where they've been around for a little while now, a few years. They were one of the Binance IEOs. They're super low value still, and I don't understand why, because they have tons of nodes. They have the DeFi, and they have the APIs. And you don't really need to understand this. Like, you don't need to be a developer to know that this is powerful. But if you are a developer, or even if you're not, I'm just going to show you how fast you can do this. Now, this is free, up to 100,000 calls, and you can test out things. So if I want to deploy like an Ethereum, and let's say I want to even do it on mainnet, I can do it on one of the test nets, but I'm going to do it on mainnet. I'll do basic auth, and I'll put in a password. So that has my API endpoint set up to Ethereum mainnet. So I already have my endpoint here. So if I go to Postman, so for example, like if you're a developer, or if you're not a developer, basically what this is I'm just trying to get information from the API, and this is extremely valuable. Like if you are developing an application, how fast you're able to set this up. So if I go and I'm just like I say, I'm doing basic auth, I'm going to do a post. I can also do a get if I want, but I'm going to do a post on this. The user was ETH. This was the password, and then this was the endpoint. And then with JSON RPC, you have to put in a few things into like a raw body here, one of which is a method. In this case, I'm looking for parameters. I'm looking for a specific address. And as you can see in my method, I'm looking to get the Ethereum balance and the latest Ethereum balance of this particular address. So if I just click send, it outputs the balance here. Now, obviously, this has to be converted, which is what the developers are going to do on the back end. But that right there shows you how fast you can test some of this stuff. And this was absolutely free. Like I said, I set this up for free. There was no cost. Now, if you want to do a node, there's obviously a cost. And if you're actually using the API, there's obviously going to be a cost. You can see you can upgrade here. But one of the cool things with Ankr that they just won, or they just got enough BNB to be one of the 21 validators on Binance Smart Chain. And all of the staking rewards go towards the validator, or towards whoever's staking on it. 100%. And that's unheard of in the industry, to have 100%. And those rewards are very, very lucrative. I mean, there's only 21 validators that are even into the Binance Smart Chain validator program. So this is one I would definitely check out. It is on Binance. I got it a few years ago, and it really hasn't done much. But I expect, because some of this stuff is just so easy to use, once people catch on to this, it's going to really explode. Thanks for watching.